If you use AnyDesk regularly, backing up your AnyDesk address and important configuration files can save you a lot of time if you ever reinstall Windows, move to a new PC, or need to restore your setup later. In this video, I'm going to show you how to back up AnyDesk properly in just a few simple steps. If this tutorial helps, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more quick software guides just like this. First, make sure AnyDesk is completely closed. This is important because if the app is still running in the system tray, it may keep the files locked and your backup may not work properly. So check the bottom right corner of your screen, right-click the AnyDesk icon if you see it, and fully exit the program. Next, press Windows key +R on your keyboard to open the Run dialog box. This is one of the fastest ways to jump directly into a hidden system folder without having to browse through File Explorer manually. Now type %program data %\AnyDesk into the box and press Enter. This will open the AnyDesk program data folder on your computer. Inside this folder, you'll find the key files that store important AnyDesk settings and data. Now look for a file called service.conf. This is the main file you need if you want to back up your AnyDesk address and core configuration. If you also want to keep your recent session lists and some additional user-related data, look for user.conf as well. That file is optional, but it's a good idea to copy it too if you want to preserve more of your previous setup. Once you've found those files, select service.conf and user.conf, then copy them. You can do this by right-clicking and choosing Copy, or by pressing Ctrl+C on your keyboard. After that, paste those files somewhere safe. For example, you can store them in a folder on your desktop, an external hard drive, a USB flash drive, or even a secure cloud backup location. The main goal is to keep them in a place you can easily access later if you need to restore your AnyDesk address. Now here's how to restore everything later. After installing AnyDesk on your new system, open the same folder path again, %program data %\AnyDesk. Then place the saved files back into that same directory, replacing any existing files if needed. Once the files are back in place, restart AnyDesk. After the app reloads, it should read the restored configuration and bring your settings back from the backup. That's all there is to it. In just a few minutes, you've backed up your AnyDesk address and saved the important files needed to restore it later. If this helped you out, please give the video a like, subscribe for more step-by-step software tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.